Good afternoon, everyone. My name Hari Tripanto Silitonga, and my lecturer Ms. Teresia Dwi Hastuti from Master of Accounting Program, Faculty of Economy and Business, Sogia Pranata Catholic University, Indonesia. We will present the research with the title The Effect of Information Technology Utilization, Professional Skeptics, Competence, and Ethics on Remote Audit Quality. Biography: I am Hari Tripanto Silitonga, obtained here bachelor degree in accounting from Semarang University. Then he obtained here accounting professional education from Diponegoro University. He and has also obtained a CPA professional qualification, and currently is a student at the Faculty of Economy and Business, Sogia Catholic University. And my lecturer, Teresia Dwi Hastuti, earned a bachelor degree in accounting from 11 Maret University Surakarta, then earned a master degree in accounting from Gadjah Mada University, and earned a doctorate from University Diponegoro. She has also obtained the CPA Accounting Professional Qualification, and currently she is a lecturer at the Faculty of Economy and Business, Sogia Pranata Catholic University. Her specialization include financial accounting and auditing. Become an auditor for various company and financial consultant, as well as an internal auditor. Abstract: The COVID-19 pandemic has had a wide impact on various fields, including the practice of public accounting. With the COVID pandemic, there are limited achievements in the field that have a direct impact on the collection of audit evidence, such as limited access to travel and limited direct interaction with clients. There is a need for a new approach and the use of more sophisticated technology, including audit. The use of technology to conduct remote audit raise doubt about the collection of evidence, which will impact the profession of an audit opinion. The ethics surrounding the auditor in carrying out audit practice, as well as the competence process, are the basis for determining the quality of the audit. This study examines the effect of the variable using information technology, professional skeptics, auditor competence, and auditor ethics on the quality of remote audit. Respondents in this study were auditor who work public accountant firm in Semarang, Indonesia. And determinant of the research: sample asking, the purpose sampling method, and obtaining a sample of 110 auditor from 29 public accounting firms. The method of analysis to test the hypothesis using multiple regression. The results showed that the use of information technology, professional skeptics, competent auditor, and auditor ethics had a positive and significant effect on the quality of remote audit. Introduction: The coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19 pandemic has had an impact on various lines of life, both in terms of health, social society, education, and the world economy is not exception. The World Financial Institution, the International Monetary Fund (IMF), towards the June 2022 edition of the World Economy Outlook (WEO) project that global economic growth in 2020 will reach minus 4.9%. And next, research hypothesis for Figure 1 research framework. Hypothesis 1: utilization of information technology has a positive effect on remote audit quality. Hypothesis 2: professional skeptics has a positive effect on remote audit quality. Hypothesis 3: auditor competence has a positive effect on remote audit quality. And hypothesis 4: auditor ethics has a positive effect on remote audit quality. The research method: research object, public accounting firm in the Semarang. population, all auditor in public accounting firm in Semarang, and sample 29 public accounting firm, 205 auditor, 110 who are willing to fill out the questionnaire. Sample technical purposive sampling, data types and source, primary data and questionnaire. Research instrument testing, one description statistic test, two instrument tests consisting of validation test and reliability test, three classical assumption test which consistent of normality test, multicollinearity test, and heteroscedasticity test, and four multi-step linear regression, and five hypothesis tests which consists of T statistic test, F test, and the coefficient of determinant test. The result, table 1, demography, detail of respondent. For gender, the highest gender is male with a frequency of 57 or 51.8%. For age, the highest age is 20-30 with a frequency of 77 or 70%. For education, the highest education is undergrad with a total of 90 or 81.8%. And for current position, the highest current position is a junior auditor with a total of 54 or 49.1%. For the last leg or work, the highest leg of work is 1 to 3 years with a total of 49 or 44.5%. The next, for table 2, the descriptive statistic table can explain the minimum, maximum, mean, and standard deviation values. The minimum values on the variable utilization of information technology with a total of 27 and the highest value on professional skeptics with a total of 75. Next, table 3. From the summary of table 3 above, validity and reliability test results, it is known that the instrument as the research measuring instrument is valid. The result of the reliability test show that the value of each variable is greater than 0.60. So it can be concluded that the variable the as of information technology, professional skeptics, competent auditor, and auditor ethics are proven to be reliable and valid as a tool for collection research data. Next, table 4, based on the test result in the table 4 above, fit model test result, then F con is greater than F table or 102.461 is greater than 2.450. Thus, it can be said that the fit of this research model, the variation of the independent variable of the as of information technology, professional skeptics, competent auditor, and auditor ethics together affect explaining the variation in the dependent variable of remote audit quality. Next, table 5, determination coefficient test result. Based on the test result of the calculation of the coefficient of determinant can be seen tops the adjusted R-square value of 0.788%. Next, table 6, hypothesis test result. Based on table 6, we can conclude that the utilization of information technology affect positively the remote audit quality. Result B 0.3, t-value 2.405, signification 0.018. Hence, hypothesis 1 is accepted. This indicated that the increasing use of information technology will improve the quality of remote audit. This is mean that an auditor will be satisfied using the system if they believe that the system is easy to use and will increase their productivity and add some external controls, namely experience and complexity. Based on table 6, we can conclude that professional skeptics affect positively the remote audit quality. Result B 0.0, t-value 2.46, significancy 0.017. Hence, hypothesis 2 is accepted. This indicates that more professional skeptics will improve the quality of remote audit. This means that auditors who has higher level of professional skeptics are more likely to confront client or perform additional procedure when high-risk deviation are more likely to detect fraud, demonstrated a high-quality assessment of evidence, and trust client list, and are more likely to invest in higher level audit effort. And next, based on table 6, we can conclude that the auditor competence affect positively the remote audit quality. Result B 0.2, t-value 2.402, significancy 0.01 I. Hence, hypothesis 3 is accepted. This indicates that auditor competence will improve the quality of remote audit. This means that the consistency of competence measured by professional quality, general knowledge, experience, and special expertise in an auditor will increase success in crime auditor. Based on table 6, we can conclude that auditor ethics affect positively the remote audit quality. Result be 0.5, t-value 4.97, significant 0.0. Hence, hypothesis 4 is accepted. This indicates that the auditor ethics will improve the quality remote audit. This means that an auditor must comply with the code of ethics that has been established as the basis for conduction and auditors so that the quality of audit result is influenced by the ethic of the auditor. And the next discussion, number 1, utilization of information technology affect positively the remote audit quality. That is, hypothesis 1 is accepted. Number 2, professional skeptics affect positively the remote audit quality. That is, hypothesis 2 is accepted. Number 3, auditor competence affect positively the remote audit. This is hypothesis 3 is accepted. Number 4, auditor ethics affect positively the remote audit quality. That is, hypothesis 4 is accepted. The last conclusion. This study found that utilization of information technology, professional skeptics, auditor competence, and auditor ethics have a positive effect on remote audit quality. The findings suggested that auditors with a high level of intelligence of information technology, professional skeptics, auditor competence, and auditor ethics will yield high quality. This study adds up our understanding of the utilization of information technology, professional skeptics, auditor competence, and auditor ethics implement in public accounting firm. And for public accounting firm to be able to maintain long-distance audit quality that has been achieved and can assist and support auditor in increasing in utilization of the information technology, professional skeptics, auditor competence, and auditor ethics to procedure maximum quality. Suggestion for future research or expansion to be able to add other variable and be able to research in other areas and be able to maintain long distance audit quality that has been achieved in assisting and support auditor in increasing the use of information technology, professional skeptics, auditor competence, and auditor ethics in order to procedure maximum audit quality. And thank you.